Why are Matplotlib parameters so overwhelming? Imagine trying to decorate a room with endless options for paint colors, furniture styles, and lighting. That's what working with Matplotlib feels like at first. It's a very powerful library for creating all kinds of plots in Python, used widely for data analysis and visualization. The reason it seems so overwhelming is because it offers a huge number of parameters and settings to customize every part of your plot. From line styles to colors, markers to axes, there are many choices to make. When you start, it can seem like a maze of options with no clear starting point. Let's break it down. The core plotting function, like plot, accepts data points for the x and y axes, but it also allows you to specify line width, color, style, and markers all at once. You can do this with simple keyword arguments or by using format strings. This flexibility is great once you know what you want, but it can confuse beginners who see so many options all at once. Another reason is that Matplotlib uses a layered object structure. You have figures, axes, lines, and other objects, each with their own properties. For example, you can set the limits of the axes with functions like xlim and ilim, add grid lines with grid, or change color maps for more complex plots. Each layer has its own set of parameters, and understanding how they all fit together takes time. It's like learning the hierarchy of a building, but for plotting. Plus, Matplotlib supports multiple ways to do the same thing. You can set line properties directly in the plot function, or you can create a line object and then change its properties with setter methods. You can also use helper functions like setp. While this makes the library very flexible, it adds to the confusion for new users. Default behaviors also add to the feeling of being overwhelmed. Matplotlib automatically cycles through colors and line styles, which is helpful but can make it seem like there are endless options to control. To get comfortable, start simple. Plot basic data, then gradually add labels, titles, and grid lines. As you grow more confident, you can explore customizing line styles, colors, and even creating multiple subplots. Focusing on the most common parameters like color, line width, marker, and axis limits is a good way to build your skills. Once you understand these basics, you can move on to more advanced features like color maps or normalization. Remember, the key is to learn step by step. The extensive options are there to give you full control, but you don't need to master everything at once. Just take your time, experiment, and soon you'll find that customizing your plots becomes much easier and more fun.